Years have passed and still no child. Maybe her husband should marry again. For years, she endured words spoken without understanding.
My son deserves a home with children.
She is my wife. I will stand beside her.
I thought about another marriage, but I choose us.
Yeah.
Faith remained even when answers delayed.
Will you leave me?
No. We remain together.
I only want her. I only want grandchildren. I am feeling weak.
No one expected what was coming.
Please sit down. Congratulations.
Congratulations for what?
You are pregnant.
Doctor says I'm pregnant. Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus.
The answer had already begun quietly.
We keep this between us.
Yes.
Yes.
We chose peace over attention.
He sent her away. He sent her away. Could he have taken her to another village because of shame? We shall see. I warned him. He didn't listen. What a shame that all the villagers are now gossiping and laughing at me, having a barren daughter-in-law.
Sometimes blessings grow unseen. Do you see why we took the best decision to move to another village?
Yes, and thanks, honey.
Mother, please come.
Why am I here? How is this possible? Oh, you are pregnant. Oh my God. God never forget us, Mama. Forgive me. Forgive him, Mama. God has answered us. Mother and baby are healthy.
Thank God.
She is so beautiful. Yes, she is. My grandson, oh my God, thank you. It truly happened. Mock nobody. God still works miracles. What was once laughter became testimony.